Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be starting a series on projects on the data engineer with Fabric. I hope you can able to see my screen. So what we will be doing, we will be creating a database which cover all these tables: customer, collection, EMI underscore payments, and loans underscore application, right? So the idea is to this would be a introduction video. I would be giving you all the demonstration of the video how the projects work on the next video. So we would be starting with SQL. So this is a NBFC project. NBFC, if you don't know, that's a non-banking financial corporation, which I'm currently working on that domain, NBFC, where we get a different abbreviation. So different terms are there. We have a sanctions, disbursements. I will go through each and every topic of the NBFC. What are the business case study? What all requirements are there on that topics whenever the next sequel video will come, right? So today this is an introduction video. Tomorrow I will be record a video on the sequel. So this video will be posted on three parts. The first part would be sequel. So first of all, this is a data engineering project with the Fabric. The orchestration would be, first of all, we would ingest the data from different sources, so this one would be SQL. So, already I have uploaded the five tables, and all the SQL portion would be based on these five tables, right? So once that is completed, then we will move one step uh, ahead, where all the informations which we have gathered, we would create one master table, and for from that master table, we would take that table and ingest to data lake, right? So then data lake, we would be creating a jobs on the basis of migration, which tables we need for the end user we would be getting, and we would be using on the basis of Azure Data Factory. So once that is completed, then we'll move one step ahead, where we would demonstrate on the Medallion architecture. Medallion architecture also I would cover with the help of PySpark, where we would be understanding all the three layers, which is the bronze, silver, and gold. So we would ingest the raw data on bronze, silver would be doing a transformation, and gold would be on the that table. We would be creating another master table now for the Power BI user. So once that is completed, then we would be going finally to the Power BI, where we would be creating a one master table, and we would uh, create a dashboard on the basis of sanction, disbursement, loans, right? So all the business case study, like what is the delinquency. So I can show you what all questions that I would be covering on the SQL part. So this is the NBFC loan analytics project, where this would be customers like tables, and I would be covering, there are total of 10 questions where I would be covering. So you can check that we have three for the easy, four would be intermediate, and three would be advanced SQL question, right? So I will covering all the topic. If you don't know what is a customer lifetime value, right? So every topic, what is a portfolio, how the portfolio, what is JPD, everything I would be going through on the SQL, and I will give you a business case study also how you can present that project on the next interview round, right? So this would be the things. So I can show you the tables also. This is a collection table. I'll explain you all with the help of SQL. This is a payments table. This is a loans table, and this is the application table, right? And then I do have one second. Yeah. So sorry, one second. So I have something which is a fabric. Yeah. So this is my workspace where I will transform all the information to here, and I will like how we can do and like do on the project. So this cover, so tomorrow I will shoot two of the parts, which is phase one and phase two, which cover SQL and the transformation of the ADF and all that stuffs we will be doing tomorrow. On Monday or Tuesday, I would be covering a Power BI part, right? So that would be good for you. And just you just need to copy me and just do with me what I am doing with the help of the video, and it would be very useful for you, right? And this is the Azure platform. Right now it's like, so this is Azure platform. I will walk through also how the Azure is different from the AWS, like different concepts are there. So I will walk through. Yeah. So that is the today, like this is the only the information I need to share. Let's meet tomorrow. I will record the video, and yeah, hope have a great day. And also I will give a link of my Instagram handle, because every video, if you want to explain the topics, I'll mostly upload a reel over there, right? So yeah, you can have a word, like, I'm sorry, you can just DM me if you have any queries. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Have a great day, and you can subscribe to my channel, and also you can share this information, the useful videos, to your friends who want to be a part of data engineer or Power BI developer. It would be handy for them. Okay. Have a great day and have a happy Saturday. Bye.